In the last vlog, you people have studied about the formation of microspore, which is a pollen grain, and on the contrary, we have seen the formation of megaspore, which is a female gamete. We have seen the formation of actually the process was pre-fertilization, means that is taking place before the fertilization. Okay, because we are looking for the reproduction in flowering plants. So first was the pre-fertilization event where the formation of gamete took place. In the male it is known as the microsporogenesis, where the formation of pollen grain takes place. On the another side, we have seen megasporogenesis, where the female gamete known as the megaspore is being formed. Right? Okay, student. Further, we will go with the pollination. Now, till now, we have seen the process of gametogenesis or the formation of gamete. We have seen. Now, we will see further the process of fusion. Gamete has been formed, and now fusion will be taking place. So there is two type. In plant we can say there are different mode of fusion or pollination. There are different mode of pollination. In plant is there we can say fusion, but here the term which we can use, that is pollination or syngamy. Okay, syngamy is also a term, but here we will say pollination right now. So different modes of pollination we are going to see, that is self pollination, and on the another side is there cross pollination. Okay, what is the self pollination? The pollination which is taking place within the plant, that is the self pollination, that is within the same plant, within the same plant is the self pollination, whereas cross pollination is taking place in another plant between the two different, or we will not write two, it is not necessary only the two, between the different plants we can write. Okay, we can see in the topic the pollination. Pollination we are going to study. This process is taking place after the formation of the gamete. So pollination is of two types, that is the self pollination and cross pollination. Self pollination within the same plant, means this type of pollination is taking place within the same plant, एक ही plant में, whereas cross pollination, the term is here cross, that means that is taking place between the different plants, that means pollen will land over from one plant, can be can land to the different plants also. Okay, not only it can land over to its own plant also, but we are talking about the cross pollination, so we will see here the pollen is landing over to the female reproductive of another plant. So this is the cross pollination. So let us deal first with the self pollination, student. Self pollination is of two types. Further we will see the self pollination is of two types. Autogamy is there. And Gittinogamy is there. Okay, autogamy is there and Gittinogamy is there. Alright, so first we will see for the autogamy here, the term autogamy, and then next we will see for the Gittinogamy. What happens in the autogamy? Here the pollination, because we are talking about the self pollination. So if the plant is here, if the flower of the plant diagram of the plant are drawn, which is a simple most. So if the pollen, you just see in autogamy what happens, self pollination. Means within the flower the pollination is taking place. Maybe within the plant or maybe within the flower. So in autogamy what happens? The flower, you can see here, the male reproductive part and the female reproductive part both is present here. So the pollen of this flower will land over to the stigma of same flower. The pollen of the same flower lands over to the stigma of same flower, that is known as autogamy. Pollen of same flower lands over to the stigma of same flower. That means if the pollen is here, so the pollen from this flower will land over to the stigma of the same flower. This is occurring within the same flower, that is known as the autogamy. That is the term here, autogamy, which is under the self-pollination. So it is happening within the same flower. The pollen of this flower itself lands over to the stigma of the same flower, that is known as the autogamy under the self-pollination. I think it is clear to people. Next one we will see geitonogamy. Next one we will see geitonogamy. What is happening in this one? Suppose this is a plant again, and the side flower is there. On the another side also flower is there. So what will happen? The pollen from this flower, suppose this is the pollen, mature pollen, which has been arised from this one. So the mature pollen from this flower lands over pollen is landing over to the stigma of the another flower of the same plant. Okay, that is known as the geitonogamy. What is happening? The pollen from this flower is landing over to the female reproductive part of the another flower, but within the same plant. एक ही plant में. So this is known as the geitonogamy. Pollen from one flower lands over to the stigma of another flower of same plant, within the same plant. The pollen of this flower is landing over to the female reproductive part, that is the stigma of another flower. So, but it is of the same plant. So this is known as the geitonogamy under the self-pollination topic. Okay students, I think this is clear to you people. Next we will discuss for the cross-pollination.